Hey, this is Ardra Sinett with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Listen, I am a foodpreneur. That's what I am. I am a food entertainer, chef, baker, CEO kind of conglomerate. I have everything that I have designed, created, everything that is inspired from me, my purpose, my passion, everything that has come out of me, everything that I have birthed has been about bringing people together around food. You know, when you're in the kitchen cooking, at least professionally, you're supposed to have a head covering, so I designed my own. You know, I was an artist first. I was born an artist. My grandfather, my mom's dad, William, was an amazing artist. My mom could draw, and then my brother drew and I drew. So I started off an artist. I had to find my place I had to find my canvas. And kitchen, the cooking, food became my canvas. Food is my canvas. That's where I get to really do my art. That's where I stand apart. Charcuterie boards, like about 10 years ago, when I started designing them and playing with them, when I started realizing that when I put something on the plate, the aesthetic, the presentation made people like, it took their breath away. They were like, oh, can we eat this? And I'm thinking, it looked that good? Yes, honey, eat it. I just have to tell you a little bit about my story and why I love cooking so much. I created a food game called What Color Is Your Palette? I collaborated with the smartest person that I know. But it's all about what you eat, what you put in your mouth, and why. It says so much about you. Like, isn't that amazing? I have a line of boards. Charcuterie boards. I've been doing charcuterie before charcuterie was the thing to do. Grazing boards, serving platters, I like to call them, but they are so beautiful. I design one-of-a-kind pieces of art that hold words that have sincere sentiment to me. These words, I believe, these are 10 principles, 10 spiritual principles that we all must really work hard to maintain so that we can sustain. The Shomo experience is an intentional feeding. It's an intentional eating experience. Like, I want you to eat on purpose. So everybody that purchases a board, they get a free ebook that's downloaded to them. And it's basically a book of blessings for each board. So they get blessed with that. I have a line of sexy aprons that are going to debut by the holiday season. Apron and heels are all you need to make your man a good meal. Listen, I've put together a supper club series. You want to do something different? We're always doing the same things all the time. You want to meet people, you want to learn new things, you want to network, you want to grow, you want to evolve. What way to do it other than around some good food, honey? Good food, entertainment. So check this out. This is what I'm doing. I'm inviting you into a beautiful space that I've blessed and decorated, because aesthetics and presentation is everything. You're going to come in. It's going to be 10 men and 10 women, and we're all and they're going to commit to a 6-week dinner party series. They're going to say, 6 weeks, I'm going to eat with these same 10 people. Every other week, we'll have a dinner party. I will host the dinner party. It's 2 hours long. The first hour, we will eat amazing foods. So, I'm going to have speakers, therapists, authors, coaches, and they're going to come in and they're going to talk about dating, the 12 steps of intimacy. We skip right over. We go from 1 to 12. At the end of the 6-week period, these singles will be certified better daters, honey. They will have gone through the first stage of dating boot camp. Yes, it's going to be a new wave in entertainment and eating. Let's eat on purpose. Let's be intentional.